to almost, I think, 3,000 young people in Kenya, right here. And we made this initiative part of the 5 pillars of the development of Kenya for the next 5 years. One of it is what we are calling the digital superhighway that is going to make sure that we have an extra 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic in Kenya. And we are going equally to have 1,450 such facilities around Kenya. And we have all agreed that digital jobs, the jobs that you see being worked on around these tables, is going to be one commitment we have made, that we want to expand the opportunities for the people sitting here to as many young people in Kenya as possible. In fact, our target is to have 1.5 million young Kenyans, like the ones sitting here, working across Kenya. And over the next 5 years, this is what we are going to be doing. In fact, Your Excellency, we just changed the law in Kenya so that a facility called Constituency Development Fund will now be used to set up such hubs across the country, so that the many young people out of school, out of college, out of university can have an opportunity to interact with internet, with computers, and with e-commerce, and to be able to access digital jobs. We have now a phrase in Kenya. Kwamba tunafanya nini? Tunafinya compyuta, sio? Everybody, ati naitwa? Tunafinya compyuta. Alafu dola inaingia? Dola inaingia kwa mfuko. They are saying, we will press the computer and dollars will come out and we will put it in our pockets. That is the scheme of things around here. And I am very happy. When I said this, many people thought it was a joke. Now, for those people who think it is a joke, kufinya kompyuta na kuweka dola kwa mfuko, look at these guys. These guys ni wale